So, all right, you are going to be going into your Pathfinder. The first thing you need to do is the research on the Pathfinder. The way to do that, that's that document that you shared with me. And the way that you're going to do that is you're going to go to this website, our homepage, eastrockawayschools.org, click on web links, and click this icon for Gmail. It's going to bring you to this screen. And you're going to type in the first letter of your first name, your last name, at ersd.org, eastrockawayschools.org. And then you are going to type in your password. That's the one that has the 18000. And sign in. This is going to bring you either to this page or the Drive. Make sure that you're in Drive. Okay. And you are going to go to your document that you shared with me, which is Dwarf or Giant Pathfinder. This is basically where you're doing your research. And again, I'm going to just mention the fact that everything you type in here automatically saves. You do not need to do anything up here to save anything that you're typing. Okay? The first question that you are going to do is, what is your hypothesis? What is it that you think? Is Pluto a planet or is Pluto a dwarf planet? That's what you're going to type in here. The second thing is, what research have you found to support your hypothesis? I want you to do some research on the net, and I want you to give me at least 3 facts that support your hypothesis. You will do this, and I'm going to show this to you after. There is a smoreboard that I'm going to show you in a minute that has some really good web links for you. Or, my other favorite is, let's say you just want to do some Google searching. You don't even have to leave this page. Go to Tools, highlight Pluto Dwarf, Tools, Research, and look at this. Right along the right-hand side here, they have all the different websites that you would find on Google. Now again, remember that you want to choose the websites that are the most credible. We've been working on that for a while now. So obviously Wikipedia, probably not your best choice, but NASA.gov, definitely a good one. This looks like an interesting article. You can preview it if you want to take a look and see. All right, it's by Universe Today, which is a magazine. Science.nationalgeographic.com, news.nationalgeographic.com. All good websites that you can look at and you can open up to use as your research. Okay? So I'm going to want you to find 3 different facts that you're going to type in here. Okay? That support what you think. The third thing, analyze your data. That basically means, do the 3 facts that you just had up here support your hypothesis? So if you said Pluto is a dwarf planet, do those 3 facts that you typed in here support that Pluto is a dwarf planet? Okay, that's really what you're doing with this question here. And you can let me know, yes, they do, because fact 1 says this, fact 2 says this, fact 3 says this. And then lastly, report your results. This is basically stating in no uncertain terms that Pluto is a dwarf planet because, and you're going to tell me, using those 3 facts or more, why it is supported. Okay? 2 other things that I want you to do. List of unknown words. If there are any words that you are reading in your research that you're not quite sure of, type them down here. And even if it's something satellite, let's say, you can highlight this. Again, go into Tools and Define, and it's going to give you the definition. It's a noun, an artificial body placed in orbit, or a celestial body orbiting the Earth or planet. So a moon, secondary planet. It actually gives you the definition of the word that you highlighted. Type any words that you weren't sure about, do the define function, and then we can discuss those in class so that we have a nice good word bank going. And of course, last but not least, sources used. In this space, I want you to list any of the web links that you used to support your research. So if you used an article by NASA, and it was nasa.gov, I would want you to type that web address. Okay? Click in here, copy, and then click down there and paste. Okay? Of course, you're not going to do that specific one, but again, let's say, again, Pluto dwarf. I highlight it, click Tools and Research. I go and find that article on nasa.gov. Okay? And it pulls it up. This is the article that I use to support my research. Click in here, copy it. Oops. Copy it. Go back here. And I paste it. And there I have the website that I used to support my research. I want a list of all the websites that you use to support your research. Okay? Now, as to the smoreboard. Oh, just one other thing about this. If you were not able to get into your Google Docs through our website here, you can just go to the Google page, and up here in the right-hand corner you see that it says Sign In. Okay. It's going to pull up a page that allows you to sign in to your account. Mine is obviously already logged in, but again, you would type in your first letter of your first name and your last name at ersd.org, and then your password, that 1800 password, okay? But what I want to do is I want to go to my homepage. So www.nylearns.org/pshowen. That's my website. I'm going to click on the 5th grade tab here, scroll down and get to the assignment. And then I'm going to look for my smoreboard. Again, these are the links that you're going to need. This smoreboard gives you all the information that you will want. And I want you to really take a look at this one because it gives you a little background information here. Gives you the link to that Prezi that I showed you that had the video from Big Bang Theory and Blue's Clues. And then we get to the crux of it. To be or not to be, that is the question. So is Pluto a planet or not? I want you to do your own research. And you can click on this link here, and it will pull up my Voki so that you can see me explain what the project is. I'm not going to do that right now. I'm going to let you do that after. But just FYI, everything that I said in the Voki is actually typed here. And this is what you're going to be doing. You're going to download the Pathfinder, which you did. You're going to fill in the required information. You're going to be specific and cite your sources. That means pasting your links on the bottom of that document. And then you are going to submit it. It's already going to be submitted. I'm going to check it, and I'm going to review it. And eventually you're going to take that research to create a 90-second script. The script is what you are going to use with your Voki avatar, which you are also going to be creating. You're going to log into Voki and create your own avatar that looks like yourself, and when they're completed, I'm going to upload them on my website, and I'm also going to send them to the Museum of Natural History and see if Dr. Tyson can get a response, give a response. Here are those links that I was telling you about. These are different links that I found supporting or denying Pluto's planet status. So you can look through these, or again, like I said before, if you went into this area, Tools and Research, you can do your own research writing your own document. And then this is just a cute little fun thing, astronomy.org, just some fun games that you could play. So good luck with this. Any questions that you have, see this link over here on my website? It says contact me. Okay. Fill in your information here. The email address that you're going to use is your Google email address at ersd.org, and then type your message. So have fun with this, and I look forward to seeing your work.